Today we're diving into the world of fintech, a term you've probably heard a lot about lately, but what exactly does it mean? Fintech stands for financial technology, and it's transforming how we manage, invest, and interact with money. From mobile banking apps to online payment platforms, fintech is reshaping the financial landscape. In this video, we'll explore what fintech is, how it works, and why it's so important in our daily lives. Let's start by understanding the basics and see how technology is making finance more accessible and efficient for everyone. Tech is a blend of two words, financial and technology. It refers to the use of innovative technology to deliver financial services in new and improved ways. This can include everything from digital wallets and peer-to-peer payment apps to robo-advisors and blockchain technology. The goal of fintech is to make financial services faster, more convenient, and often more affordable. By leveraging technology, fintech companies are able to offer solutions that traditional banks and financial institutions may not provide as efficiently. Over the past decade, fintech has experienced explosive growth. Startups and established companies alike are investing heavily in new technologies to improve financial services. This growth is driven by the widespread use of smartphones, increased internet access, and a growing demand for more flexible financial solutions. As a result, fintech is now a major force in the global economy, influencing everything from how we pay for coffee to how we invest for retirement. One of the most visible impacts of fintech is the rise of mobile banking. Today, you can check your balance, transfer funds, and even apply for loans all from your smartphone. Mobile banking apps have made managing money more convenient than ever before. They offer real-time notifications, easy budgeting tools, and secure access to your accounts, putting financial control right at your fingertips. Tech has revolutionized the way we pay for goods and services. Digital payment platforms like PayPal, Venmo, and Apple Pay allow us to send and receive money instantly without the need for cash or checks. These platforms use advanced security measures to protect your transactions, making digital payments both fast and safe. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends or shopping online, fintech makes it easier than ever to move money. Another area where fintech is making waves is peer-to-peer lending. Instead of borrowing from a traditional bank, individuals can now lend and borrow money directly from each other through online platforms. This approach often results in lower interest rates for borrowers and better returns for lenders. Peer-to-peer lending platforms use technology to match borrowers with investors, making the process more efficient and accessible. Investing has also been transformed by fintech through the introduction of robo-advisors. These are automated platforms that use algorithms to manage your investments based on your goals and risk tolerance. Robo-advisors make investing more accessible by lowering fees and removing the need for a traditional financial advisor. With just a few clicks, anyone can start building a diversified investment portfolio. Tech is also closely linked to blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Blockchain is a secure, decentralized ledger that records transactions, making it nearly impossible to tamper with. Cryptocurrencies use blockchain to enable fast, borderless payments and new forms of digital assets. This technology is opening up new possibilities for how we store and transfer value. Tech isn't just about banking and payments, it's also changing the insurance industry. Insurtech companies use technology to streamline the process of buying and managing insurance. From getting quotes online to filing claims through an app, InsurTech is making insurance more user-friendly and efficient. These innovations help customers find better coverage and save money. Tech or regulatory technology is another branch of fintech focused on helping companies comply with financial regulations. By automating compliance tasks, RegTech solutions reduce the risk of errors and save time. This is especially important in a world where financial rules are constantly changing. RegTech uses data analytics and artificial intelligence to monitor transactions and flag suspicious activity. Managing your money is easier than ever thanks to personal finance apps. These apps help you track spending, set budgets, and reach your savings goals. Many even offer personalized tips to help you make smarter financial decisions. With everything in one place, you can get a clear picture of your finances and stay on top of your goals. Open banking is a concept that allows third-party developers to build apps and services around financial institutions. By securely sharing financial data, open banking encourages innovation and competition. This means more choices and better services for consumers. With open banking, you can connect your accounts to different apps and manage your finances more flexibly. Contactless payments have become increasingly popular, especially in recent years. With just a tap of your card or phone, you can pay for purchases quickly and securely. This technology uses near-field communication (NFC) to transmit payment information, reducing the need for physical contact. Contactless payments are fast, convenient, and help keep transactions hygienic. Digital currencies are another exciting development in fintech. Unlike traditional money, digital currencies exist only in electronic form. Central banks in several countries are exploring their own digital currencies, which could make payments even faster and more secure. Digital currencies have the potential to change how we think about and use money in the future. Crowdfunding is a way for individuals and businesses to raise money from a large number of people, typically through online platforms. Fintech has made crowdfunding more accessible, allowing entrepreneurs to fund their ideas and projects without relying on traditional investors. These platforms connect creators with supporters, making it easier to turn ideas into reality. And now, Pay Later (BNPL) services are a popular fintech innovation that lets you purchase items and pay for them over time. These services often come with no interest if you pay on time, making them an attractive alternative to credit cards. BNPL platforms are integrated into many online stores, giving shoppers more flexibility and control over their spending. Neobanks are digital-only banks that operate entirely online without any physical branches. They offer many of the same services as traditional banks but with a focus on user experience and lower fees. Neobanks use technology to streamline banking, making it faster and more convenient for customers. With 24/7 access and innovative features, neobanks are changing the way we bank. Fintech is a game changer for small businesses. From easy payment processing to online lending, fintech solutions help small businesses grow and compete. Business owners can access loans, manage payroll, and track expenses with just a few clicks. These tools save time and money, allowing entrepreneurs to focus on what matters most, running their business. Security is a top priority in fintech. Companies use advanced encryption, biometric authentication, and real-time monitoring to protect your data and money. As fintech grows, so do the risks, but ongoing innovation in cybersecurity helps keep your information safe. Always remember to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Artificial intelligence (AI) is playing a big role in fintech. AI powers chatbots that answer customer questions, analyzes spending patterns, and detects fraud. By automating routine tasks, AI helps companies deliver better, faster service. It also enables personalized recommendations, making financial services more tailored to your needs. Tech is helping millions of people around the world who don't have access to traditional banking. Mobile money services and digital wallets allow users to save, send, and receive money without a bank account. This is especially important in developing countries, where access to financial services can be limited. Fintech is making financial inclusion a reality for more people every day. Sending money across borders has traditionally been slow and expensive. Fintech companies are changing that by offering faster, cheaper, and more transparent remittance services. With just a smartphone, people can send money to family and friends anywhere in the world. This is making a huge difference for migrant workers and their families. Investment platforms powered by fintech are making it easier for everyone to invest. These platforms offer low fees, user-friendly interfaces, and educational resources. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, fintech platforms provide the tools you need to grow your wealth. Many even offer fractional shares so you can start investing with just a few dollars. Fintech has democratized wealth management. In the past, only the wealthy could access professional financial advice. Now, digital platforms offer affordable wealth management tools to everyone. These tools help you plan for retirement, manage investments, and reach your financial goals all from your computer or phone. Traditional credit scores can be limiting, especially for people with little or no credit history. Fintech companies are using alternative data like utility payments and online behavior to create more accurate credit scores. This helps more people qualify for loans and build credit, opening up new opportunities for financial growth. The real estate industry is also being transformed by fintech. Online platforms make it easier to buy, sell, and invest in property. From virtual tour to digital mortgage applications, fintech is streamlining the home buying process. These innovations save time and reduce paperwork, making real estate transactions more efficient. E-commerce and fintech go hand in hand. Payment gateways, digital wallets, and fraud detection tools make online shopping safer and more convenient. Fintech enables businesses to accept payments from customers around the world, supporting the growth of global e-commerce. With secure and seamless transactions, shopping online has never been easier. Getting a personal loan used to mean visiting a bank and filling out lots of paperwork. Now, fintech platforms let you apply for loans online and get approved in minutes. These platforms use data analytics to assess your creditworthiness quickly and accurately. This makes borrowing money faster and more convenient than ever before. Saving money is easier with fintech. Automated savings apps can round up your purchases and deposit the spare change into a savings account. Some apps even analyze your spending and suggest ways to save more. By making saving automatic and effortless, fintech helps you build a financial cushion for the future. Budgeting can be a challenge, but fintech apps make it much simpler. These apps track your income and expenses, categorize your spending, and alert you when you're close to your budget limits. With clear visuals and helpful reminders, you can stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. Tax season doesn't have to be stressful. Fintech platforms offer tools to help you file your taxes online, often with step-by-step guidance. These platforms can import your financial data, check for deductions, and even submit your return electronically. This saves time and reduces the risk of errors, making tax filing much easier. Many fintech platforms offer educational resources to help users improve their financial literacy. From articles and videos to interactive tools, these resources make it easier to understand complex financial topics. By empowering users with knowledge, fintech is helping people make smarter financial decisions and achieve their goals. Fraud prevention is a critical part of fintech. Companies use machine learning and real-time monitoring to detect suspicious activity and prevent fraud. These tools analyze transaction patterns and flag anything unusual, helping to keep your money safe. As fintech evolves, so do the methods for protecting users from financial crime. Customer service is being transformed by fintech. Chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant support, answering questions and solving problems around the clock. These tools use artificial intelligence to understand your needs and offer personalized help. This means faster, more efficient service whenever you need it. International trade is easier with fintech. Online platforms simplify currency exchange, manage cross-border payments, and reduce transaction costs. Businesses can trade globally with less hassle thanks to real-time payment processing and transparent fees. Fintech is helping to create a more connected global economy. Supply chain finance is another area benefiting from fintech innovation. Digital platforms help businesses manage invoices, payments, and cash flow more efficiently. By automating these processes, companies can reduce costs and improve relationships with suppliers. Fintech is making supply chains more transparent and resilient. Paying for healthcare can be complicated, but fintech is making it easier. Digital payment platforms and insurance apps simplify billing and claims, reducing paperwork and wait times. Patients can pay bills online and track expenses while providers get paid faster. This leads to a better experience for everyone involved. Even agriculture is being transformed by fintech. Farmers can access loans, insurance, and market information through mobile apps. These tools help farmers manage risks, invest in their businesses, and improve productivity. By making financial services more accessible, fintech is supporting the growth of agriculture worldwide. Fintech is also helping to address environmental challenges. Green fintech companies offer tools for tracking carbon footprints, investing in sustainable projects, and supporting eco-friendly businesses. By making it easier to align your finances with your values, fintech is playing a role in building a more sustainable future. Governments are using fintech to improve public services. Digital platforms make it easier to pay taxes, receive benefits, and access government programs. These innovations increase efficiency, reduce costs, and make services more accessible to citizens. Fintech is helping governments serve their people better. Paying for education is a big challenge for many families. Fintech platforms offer new ways to save, invest, and borrow for education expenses. From student loan marketplaces to scholarship search tools, fintech is making education funding more flexible and accessible. Planning for retirement is easier with fintech. Digital platforms help you calculate how much you need to save, choose investment options, and track your progress. Many offer automated contributions and personalized advice, making it simpler to secure your financial future. Giving to charity is easier with fintech. Online donation platforms and apps make it simple to support causes you care about. These tools offer transparency, letting you see exactly where your money goes. Fintech is helping to connect donors with nonprofits and make a bigger impact. Fintech is constantly evolving with new technologies and ideas emerging all the time. As artificial intelligence, blockchain, and other innovations advance, we can expect even more changes in how we manage money. The future of fintech promises greater convenience, security, and financial inclusion for people everywhere. Sum up, fintech is revolutionizing the financial world by making services faster, more accessible, and more secure. From mobile banking and digital payments to investment platforms and personal finance apps, fintech is changing how we interact with money every day. As technology continues to advance, fintech will play an even bigger role in shaping our financial future. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of fintech.